Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. Today I am going to discuss physical education for ICSE Class 10 KISA Preparatory Examination for the year 2024-25. Starting with Section 1. Identify the process in the following picture. Physical fitness, growth, mental development, psychological development. And correct option is B, which is growth. The form of nutrition in which intake of nutrients is oversupplied is known as special diet, overnutrition, undernutrition, staple diet, and answer is B, which is overnutrition. What is the aim of physical education? It is physical development, psychological development, motor development, or overall or optimum development of an individual, and obviously option D is correct. In fourth part, in technical terms, muscle pull is also known as sprain, strain, confusion or abrasion, and correct option is B, which is strain. The period of infancy stage extends from birth to the end of 2 year, 3 year, 7 year, 5 year, and the correct option is A, which is 2 years. Exercises help in increasing dash to the brain, ideas, energy, oxygen flow and rest, and option C is correct. Oxygen flow brain में increase होता है जब हम exercise करते हैं. The year-long cycle of periodization is known as mesocycle, macrocycle, nanocycle or microcycle, and the correct option is B, which is macrocycle. Which of the following is not a symptom of confusion? Blurred vision, blacking out, back pain, headache, and the correct option is C, which is back pain. Somatotype classification was given by W. H. Sheldon, Stafford Beam, H. M. Barrow, Jack Nelson, and the correct option is A, which is W. H. Sheldon. Given below are the two statement. Assertion is ectomorph have a quick metabolism to burn fat, and reason is ectomorphs have a pear shaped structure. तो कौन सी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है? ए बी दोनों में से कौन ट्रू है? करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या है? सी है. ए ट्रू है लेकिन आर फॉल्स है, क्योंकि आर में आपको पास आया हुआ है एक्टोट्रॉप्स हैव ए pear shaped structure, तो आर फॉल्स हो जाएगा. In 11th, ability to cover the maximum distance in minimum time is A, strength, endurance, speed, flexibility. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू पी आई थिंक इट इज एंड्योरेंस, बट अगर हम फिजिक्स देखेंगे तो मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस मिनिमम टाइम मतलब स्पीड भी हो सकता है. द टर्म यूज फॉर ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीजिंग द स्ट्रेस ऑन द बॉडी थ्रू एप्रोप्रिएट इंटेंसिटी ट्रेनिंग. तो प्रोग्रेसिव ओवरलोड ए, विच इज अवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन. अदर ऑप्शंस आर इंटेंसिटी, एडेप्टेशन एंड स्पेसिफिसिटी. The ability to stay upright in control of body movement is called strength, flexibility, balance or power, and option C, which is balance. Psychology is said to the science of muscles, bones, behavior, emotion, and it is C, which is behavior. Cartwheel in gymnastics is an example of dynamic balance, static balance, active balance, passive balance. Option A, which is dynamic balance, क्योंकि motion में balance बनाना है. In 17th, given below are two statement. Assertion is in sports training overload should be greater than normal load on the body as required for training adaptation to take place. Reason is it means that training load should be increased for improving the performance of sports people. Which one of the following is correct? इनमें से कौन सी ट्रू है, फॉल्स है या करेक्ट है? तो both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option number A is correct. In 18th, which of the following statement correctly defines strength? The power that helps to lift and carry object. A option, which is correct. Second is the capacity to move a body part or whole body at a faster rate. The ability to resist fatigue. The ability to stretch muscles using external help. A option is correct. A diet containing right amount of nutrients for efficient working of body is called dietary plan, nutritional intake, stable diet, balanced diet, and option D is correct, which is balanced diet. In last, match the following. कार्डियोवेस्कुलर एंड्योरेंस, इसको किसके साथ हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? कॉलम बी में द कॉपर रन टेस्ट यानी कि एरोबिक फिटनेस टेस्ट के साथ इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे. मस्कुलर एंड्योरेंस मतलब पुशअप टेस्ट हो गया. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मींस सिट एंड रीच टेस्ट है, एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन मींस द बॉल टॉस टेस्ट है. एंड ऑल दीज ऑप्शंस जिसमें हम इसको करेक्टली देख सकते हैं, इट इज सी. सी में 1 4 2 3 3 1 एंड 4 2 के साथ कनेक्ट हो रहा है. कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज एक्यूरेसी? Accuracy means the ability to control movement in a given direction or at a given intensity. Accuracy is required in many sports such as football, hockey, volleyball, basketball, cricket, etc. It is used in hitting or throwing a ball. Write the full form of ACL and MCL. ACL is anterior cruciate ligament and MCL is medial collateral ligament. State any three characteristics of endomorph body. They have rounded physique, short hands and legs due to lots of adipose tissue यानी कि फैट्स ज्यादा है. It is hard for them to lose weight, have high capacity for fat storage and become fatty easily. They have a soft body. What are the various career options in physical education? तो career options में क्या क्या आ सकते हैं? Athletic coach, fitness instructor, sports media, nutrition specialist, PE teacher, yoga instructor, sports commentator, sports analyst, sports journalist, commentator, etc. Coming to question number 3, define physical education. तो आपने definition देनी है to encourage the development of motor skills, physical abilities, knowledge, reasoning, appreciation of the value and habituation of healthy lifestyle that helps in balanced growth and development. This is known as physical education. जो subject आप पढ़ रहे हो उसको प्यार से पढ़ो, definition को properly learn करो. Define the term development. Development is progressive acquisition of various skills such as head support, speaking, learning, expressing the feelings and relating with other people. It comprises of physical, cognitive, social and emotional changes. तो proper definition लिखनी है. Any 3 benefits of cooling down exercise. So benefits of cooling down exercise. Proper removal of waste product, regularizes body temperature, restoring muscles back into place, reducing level of adrenaline in blood, etc. Any 3. What is tennis elbow? How is it caused? How can it be prevented? So tennis elbow is a painful condition that occurs when tendons in elbow are overloaded. Tendons are overloaded. Causes क्या है? Due to excessive gripping activities. Prevention क्या है? Regular stretching and strengthening exercises, adequate rest hours, avoid overtraining कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा training कर रहे हो, थोड़ा avoid करो. Question number 4. What is first aid? Temporary treatment given to victim before the arrival of doctor. Or first aid is the first and immediate assistance given to any person with either a minor or serious illness or injury. Second, mention any 2 points on the importance of health education. Maintaining good health, improving human relations, discovering physical defect, satisfactory health counseling, guidance services, the basic mechanism and functions of human body, encouraging health and hygiene conditions, part of safety education. Any 2 you can write here for 2 marks. Next is Rajesh, a 16-year-old school athlete, plays basketball for his school team. Despite having good strength, speed and endurance, he struggles with changing directions quickly during the game, which affects his game. Which component of physical fitness he needs to practice to improve his game? Ability is the component of physical fitness. It is the ability to change direction quickly while the body is in motion. And last part, what are the important components for a successful training program? Important training program components. Define goals, set immediate goals, plan workout, get professional coaching help, maintain year-round fitness, prevent injuries, use sport-specific training, enjoy the training, etc. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing my channel. Don't forget to share with others. Thank you. You can also become a member of my channel. If you want the material, you can become a master achiever also by paying just 89 rupees. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel.